quality is not free. Though I have attended a session or a training where a professor has explained to me that how the quality is free. Well, for today, keep it in your mind the cost of quality. That quality is not free. The cost of quality is how much money it takes to do the project right. The cost of quality can be in the project or outside of the project. That is something we will look into the next section. It is about the cost of the quality effort, risk efforts, your time, management activities time, direct associated costs, overheads, and many other costs on the project that you incur to make sure that the project delivers the objectives and the value that it has promised as per the expectation of the client, as per the market benchmarking. This is what the cost of quality is. The costs associated with the quality are often built into the organization infrastructure, policies, and procedures. Cost of quality or the quality management is not something that you could do alone on your project. It would be something that would be happening if it is part of an organization. If it is not part of an organization, you cannot one day wake up and do the quality on your project. And then when you are talking of cost of quality, you have an infrastructure, good laptops, good machines, maintenance schedules, quality control in charge, quality control processes, ISO certification, CMMI certification, maybe another other certification specifically for your industry. These are costs that that company is incurring. You will not be incurring on the project. That is why this is infrastructure, policies, and procedures of an organization. You cannot, it is difficult to obtain the information for project. It can be difficult to obtain the information for project analysis, that if I don't know whether organization has it or not, if organization does not have it, I cannot understand this only from the project. We usually use a cost of quality analysis when we are evaluating whether to invest more upfront for a more realistic or resilient product, or whether we want to get the work done quickly and absorb the time and cost associated with fixing the issues later. So if the quality and cost is like if the quality is going high, the cost is going high, but the revenue is increasing. Quality is not free. The quality will be, the second you want to increase the quality, your cost will be increasing on the project. So you will be looking at estimate cost, where the total cost of ownership is required. That is where the cost of all quality comes in, and quality management, because quality is not free. So cost of quality will be part of the quality management. This is where you will agree on the quality, what kind of a quality you require, and then based on the quality that you require, you will send the estimates. You want this level of quality, estimates. You want this level of quality, estimates. This is what will be happening. So refer to the total cost of conformance of the work and the non-conformance of the work that should be done as compensatory efforts. Cost of conformance and non-conformance we will see in the next section. Identify all the costs associated with prevention. We are talking of cost of quality. Whenever we are talking of cost of quality, we do not want to talk of cost of non-conformance. We do not want to see why the non-conformance is happening. We want to make sure that our processes are built in like that. So cost of associated with prevention. Identify all the costs with defects, warranty, legal cases, etc. You need to know both the cost. But as I said, we do not want to go into that because the failure cost is very high. So we have to minimize the failure cost and increase this cost, and definitely the ratio is multi-proportional. $1 here must take 10 to 20 or maybe $20,000 out of the defects. So this is the relation that they have, the cost of conformance and the cost of non-conformance. Sum the cost of conformance and non-conformance. Choose the balanced solution keeping in mind of the marginal analysis. Marginal analysis is something that you could find in the terms of the in another section for the analysis. The optimal cost of quality is one that reflects the appropriate balance for investing the cost of prevention and appraisal to avoid the failure cost. You don't want to fail, so you want to invest in the process. You want to invest to make sure that the process is quality oriented, and it often used in conjunction with make or buy analysis. Obviously, you want to buy the process, or you want to do it internally. When you buy the product, you have to agree on a cost or agree on the cost of quality, and if you do it, it's a completely different cost of quality. So this is where I conclude the discussion of cost of quality, and we will go into the next section. Thank you very much for your time today.